Hello and welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. 2019 marks the 60th anniversary of the Mini. To celebrate that, I'm going to do a video every 26th of the month from January till August 2019, because then it will be 60 years ago the Mini was released. My plan is to show a different diecast brand every episode. So far I have 5. Matchbox, Hot Wheels, Norev, Siku and Shuko. I definitely will not be getting the Tomica one, the mainline one, because that one is very expensive, between 80 and 250 US dollars online. So that's way too much for me. I will be trying to get a Welly version. Probably I will find that in France. And then there's some other brands I'm going to go after. I have a backup episode where I can show some vintage ones, versions of the Mini by different brands. I'm hoping I will be able to find all of these and finish the episodes till August. Have enough stuff to make it until then. Some information on the real Mini. It was released in 1959 and produced in this model until the year 2000. It was designed by Alec Isigonis, who worked for the British Motor Corporation, and it was released as both an Austin or a Morris. Matchbox does the Austin versions and Hot Wheels does the Morris versions. The Cooper versions were available starting from 1961, and the van was available from 1960 till 1983. So let's look at some diecast. So this is the only version I have. This is the 2017 version, the last version that was released. It was first released by Matchbox in 2009. We had a red one then, a green one in 2010, a blue one, a white one and a black one. In 2011 a blue one, in 2013 a red one and a gold one, and then we got this one. So it says 64 Austin Mini Cooper on the card. So this one resembles the one from the Mr. Bean TV series, although it is not licensed. It has a BMW license, of course, but there's no license on the back from the Mr. Bean series. So here's the nice card art. Let's open this one up. There you go. Let's give it a little spin. So no taillight decorations, just front headlights, indicators. Probably it's very hard to see, but they are there. And then the hood in this hood or bonnet in this matte black. It's got the nice disc wheels, and the window is open just a little bit. Like that. Got some smoked windows there. All in all, a very nice version. I don't have any of the other ones because apparently they are very hard to come by. I have not seen any for sale on the diecast events I go to. So unfortunately this is the only one I can show from the original version. I do have some of the van versions. So this casting was released in 2007 in green, in some kind of a tan color, in purple, and a goldish color. It was a Matchbox Club release in green and black. In 2008 it was released in this color, this mustard yellow. So this one has taillights, it has headlights and indicators. It even has the grille detailed and a badge on the front here, although it doesn't really say anything. I'm just curious what it says here on the back. Let's see. Austin, it says. And then what's underneath there, I cannot read. It's way too small. Official Diecast collection. That's what I read there. Cool. Very nice one. Even the door handle is detailed. Give it a little spin here for you guys to look at. Then also in 2008 it was a Best of British release in green. In blue it also was released in a 5-pack. Then in 2009 it was released in red, in blue and in white. 2010 we saw a grey version. 2011 a black version, a blue version in the Lesney edition, and a yellow version. Then in 2014 we got this silver one. This is from a 5-pack. This only has side tampos, no front and rear, unfortunately. And then in 2018 we saw this one. So this says Austin Mini Van on the card. This is a brown color, has the 65 logo on it. This has a side tampo. I will bring it closer. Just a little bit for you guys to read. So it says Chocolate Royale, Matchbox Confectioners Sweets. I cannot read that. Sweet treats, yeah, that's what it is. So this one also has the, half window. This one has a white interior, right hand drive. Got the door handle also tampoed, and this stripe here, this tan colored stripe that goes all around the wheel wells. All in all, very nice model too. So this one has a kind of a cream colored base. Austin Minivan 1965. And the silver one has a black base, 1:51 scale. This has a chrome base, 2006 copyright. It does fit, the chrome bumpers do fit it, because that's what they had back in the day, so they look appropriate. And then the other one says Austin Mini Cooper 1275S 1964. It is also in 1:51 scale. Has a copyright of 2008. The wheels, you got the same wheels here. Here we get, oh no, it is not the same. These are the same, because it has the extra chrome ring. This one is a chrome hubcap, but doesn't have the extra chrome ring. And this one has this type of classic wheel, also looks really good. So these are all the versions I have. Well, I have one other one, a van, that is in a 5-pack, but I want to do different episodes on those 5-packs, so I'm not showing that one here. There you go. This is the first one of 8 videos. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.